Welcome to International Professional Development video series on project management. If you are interested to explore advanced career options in project management, you would like to watch this PMI certification series. Our today video is on PMI RMP certification. Make sure to click like, subscribe and the bell icons to watch other PMI certification videos and receive upcoming videos. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to understand meaning of PMI RMP, know the eligibility criteria for PMI RMP, make decision, is PMI RMP a right choice, track the PMI RMP application and exam process, and become aware of certification maintenance requirements. What is PMI RMP? PMI RMP stands for Project Management Institute Risk Management Professional. It is one of the PMI certifications awarded to qualifying candidates who meet certain requirements and pass an examination. PMI RMP is internationally recognized and popular certification in risk management. PMI RMP certification applies to projects of various disciplines, sectors, and industries and is transferable across geographic boundaries. PMI RMP is affirmation of individual specialized knowledge in risk management. Graph on screen shows growth of PMP RMP designation holders over the last 10 years. PMI RMP credential holder numbers indicate an average annual growth of 15% over the last 7 years. Most importantly, these PMI RMP credential holders are spread over 200 countries across the world. The growth in numbers displays the popularity, interest, and confidence of professionals and employers in this PMI RMP certification. Who are PMI RMP and what they do? PMI RMP designation holders do possess basic and practical application of project management knowledge areas. However, they also demonstrate unique expertise and competency in specialized area of project risk management. They are skilled to identify, assess, analyze risks, and plan risk response accordingly. They monitor, track, and control project risks. Overall, they contribute to project success as a subject matter expert in risk management. Benefits of PMI RMP certification. PMI RMP certification has a global recognition. It is great career development tool, adds value to resume, broadens job opportunities, and higher earning potentials. Certification enables to learn and apply advanced level risk management knowledge and skills. It certainly provides added value to employer organization and raises customers' confidence. More organizations are relying on certified professionals for project control and managing risks. You might have a question by now. Is PMI RMP a right choice for me? Following self-analysis can help you make an informed decision. Are you motivated towards professional development? Enhance your project management skills in specialized risk management area? Are you interested in multiple certifications or already have a PMP or other certification? Then PMI RMP can complement your existing certification. Do you want recognition and distinguish yourself among peers as certified project risk management professional? Are you willing to invest time, money, and put some hard work? If answers to these questions is in positive, then yes, it is an excellent move to pursue risk management professional certification path and bring a positive change in career. How to get PMI RMP? Here is the roadmap leading to PMI RMP certification. We may divide the roadmap in 3 phases. 1. Pre-exam, 2. Exam, and 3. post-exam. In pre-exam phase, candidates do a self-assessment to see if they meet the eligibility criteria. Once eligibility criteria is met, candidate can move to the application process. Subject to approval of application, candidate enter second phase where they can prepare and sit in the exam. After passing the exam, candidates celebrate and become risk management professional. Third phase pertains to maintenance of the certification for rest of the career. Let us talk the PMI's RMP certification eligibility criteria for self-assessment. Eligibility criteria is based on three major items. 1. Education. 2. Risk management experience. 3. Risk management training. PMI RMP experience requirement is dependent on candidates' education. Secondary school diploma or associate degree holders candidates must show 36 months of project risk management experience before they apply for certification. For 4-year bachelor degree holders, the risk management experience requirement is 24 months. And for postgraduate degree or master degree holders, it is 12 months. The experience must demonstrate a non-overlapping work of project risk management over the last 5 consecutive years. Formal project risk management training requirement is 40 contact hours for secondary school diploma or associate degree holders, while for undergraduate and postgraduate degree holders, it is 30 contact hours. 1 hour of classroom instruction equals to 1 contact hour. From where to get PMI RMP training? Requisite project risk management training can be received from employer organization, PMI authorized training partner or PMI registered education provider, a training company, a consultant, a university college academic course or continuing education course. If you have completed a continuous education course from a college or university and class schedule was say 4 hours per week for 10 weeks, it means you would record 40 contact hours and will meet the training requirement. PMI does not make mandatory any specific course or resource. What next? If self-assessment determines meeting the eligibility criteria of experience and training based on education level. Next step is to start application process. Candidate must fill the online application form on PMI website to record contact information, education background, project risk management experience, and project risk management training received, and click submit. Once application is processed, PMI will ask candidates to pay the exam fee online. PMI RMP exam fee varies based on candidates' PMI membership status. For PMI members, fee is US $520, while for non-members, it is US $670. PMI membership fee is US $129 a year. To apply for PMI RMP certification, candidates don't have to be a member of PMI. To summarize the application process, candidate fill and submit online application on PMI website and record education, experience and training. Normal review process period of application is 5 days. However, it may take longer if the application is selected randomly for audit. During the audit, candidate may be asked to verify the information provided in the application, and once application review is complete, pay exam fee. Upon approval, candidate gets an eligibility ID, which is key to move to exam process. PMI RMP exam is conducted as computer-based testing or CBT. In it, candidates sit in the exam at a local Pearson VUE testing center. Online proctor testing or OPT is not available for PMI RMP exam. From the date of issue of eligibility ID, candidate has 1 year period to schedule an exam and have 3 chances to appear. To schedule an exam, you go to PMI website and it directs you to Pearson VUE website. After scheduling exam, it is time to prepare for exam. For exam preparation, you may consider, review and study following documents. PMI Risk Management Professional Handbook, PMI Risk Management Professional Examination Content Outline, Project Standard for Risk Management, and popular A Guide to Project Management Body of Knowledge called PMBOK Guide. PMI RMP certification exam follows the content outline. Percentage of exam questions breakup among 5 domain areas is as under. Risk strategy and planning 19 to 20%, which translates into number of questions 32 to 34 based on 170 questions. Stakeholder engagement 19 to 20% or 32 to 34 questions. Risk process facilitation 25 to 28%, which means 42 to 47 questions. Risk monitoring and reporting 19 to 20% or approximately 32 to 34 questions. Perform specialized risk analysis 14 to 16%, means 24 to 27 questions. PMI RMP exam is available in English language only. Exam time is 210 minutes or 3.5 hours. Exam consists of 170 questions, and out of it only 150 questions are graded. Format of questions asked in the exam is multiple choice. Exam performance report is immediately available after close of exam. Candidates receive a printed copy of preliminary test result along with an overall pass-fail status. Once exam is passed, you may refer yourself as PMI Risk Management Professional certification holder and celebrate. Upon passing exam, you get an elegant certificate. A digital version of certificate can also be downloaded. You may get digital badge from PMI partner company Acclaim and share the badge on LinkedIn or embed in your email signature. The online certification registry automatically lists names of PMI certification holders. This feature allows search and verification of certification holders. You are authorized to use PMI RMP in block letters after your name on business cards, professional letterheads, resumes, and websites are in your email signature. Once you pass the exam, next follows maintenance phase. PMI RMP credential holder must earn 30 PDUs in 3-year period, pay renewal fee, and get a renewal certificate for next 3-year cycle. PDU stands for Professional Development Unit. 1 hour of learning accounts to 1 PDU. These PDUs can be earned in a variety of ways, such as education activities, continuing education classes, webinars, etc. Maximum limit in this category is 18 PDUs. And by giving back to community as working in profession and volunteering. Maximum PDUs which you can earn in this category are 12. To conclude, research well the options for career progression, do a self-assessment based on education, experience and training, submit application for the exam. Upon approval of application, prepare well and pass the exam. After passing, maintain the certification by earning PDUs. Good luck! If you need further information or help, International Professional Development can help in decision making, assessing eligibility, fill application, and exam preparation. Thank you for watching, and if like, make sure to click like, subscribe, and the bell icons to watch other PMI certification videos and receive upcoming videos.